Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Here, your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings again. And here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And as you can see, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.